those cheap ass fucking wireless mics from Guitar
Sound
Center.
check, my boy.
$60.
Oh, it's
Actually,
crazy.
honestly, some of those aren't bad. For what they are, they're not bad.
Sound check. We're gonna do the before and after.
I mean, yo, you want to
The before and after. Yeah, we finna do the before and after. Sound check, you feel me? Performance.
Hey, man.
Like that.
I love you.
Talk to him, tell him sound check. I'm doing the before and after. I'm doing a before and after video.
Oh, yo, so, we're at the beautiful Nuwu up here in Las Vegas, Nevada.
You feel me?
See the city behind us. We're in Nevadians here.
Get it right.
Tonight's a great show, man. Got the Yoga Stone. Yoga Stone, the reggaeton. My man, Life Liver. Hollywood.
We finna bring y'all our new song.
Shanice.
We gonna drop it. We probably drop it in a couple days, but yeah, working.